Welcome to FlyWP's new Integrity Checker and Vulnerability Scanner designed to keep your WordPress sites secure, stable, and protected. Let's jump right into the features. To access these new tools, simply navigate to your site's Security tab, then click WP Integrity Checks. Here you can enable automated daily scans or start a scan right away with a single click. Once enabled, FlyWP automatically scans your WordPress core and plugin files, detecting any unauthorized or unexpected changes. You'll instantly see which files are affected, and you can easily resolve issues by clicking Force Update right from the dashboard. Next up, the Vulnerability Scanner. Just like before, you can enable daily automated scans or run a manual scan anytime you need. Once active, the scanner automatically reviews your entire WordPress installation, comparing your WordPress core, plugins, and themes against a trusted, continuously updated vulnerability database. No manual configuration required. FlyWP handles everything for you. Your scan results are automatically updated and clearly displayed in the FlyWP dashboard, with each section showing your site's current security status. For a full walkthrough and setup guide, check out the detailed documentation linked in the description below. Both features are now available for all NGINX-based WordPress sites, accessible directly from the Security tab of your FlyWP dashboard.